Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, it's your AI Guide. I'm Kusum Ramola and I'm an MSc Data Science student in TSET University UK. And my brother, he's working in a company as a backend developer. So here we are going to see our experience about Power BI, machine learning and Linux web server. So first we will focus on Power BI. In Power BI, I will tell you the basic steps like how to import data set, how to do the cleaning process, like how to remove duplicates, how to make measures, new columns, and like how to make the relationship between the star and dimension tables. And then we will focus on the main part like dashboard design. So like on the time when I will make the Power BI videos, like that time whatever you have the questions or you want any solutions, you can just comment, or I will mention my email ID, so you can send me the message and I will try to make the video and give you the proper solutions. And then after this we will do the machine learning and Linux web server. So thank you so much for watching this video and don't forget to follow us for next upcoming videos. Thank you, bye bye.